Human beings, as creatures which are as equally a part of the nature as any other living beings are, until it tried to dominate on various creatures and gradually pushing its hand into Mother Nature. Man is very proud of his advances and continues on with it without considering effects of it. Man has started becoming so inconsiderate of nature that he forgets he also is the fruit of the same constitution and that nature can push down humans at its own will. COVID 19 is such an example where man tried poking its hand into nature and finally reaching the point where nature pushed back so bad that humans have reached a point where they could trip. No longer does the achievements and advances mean anything to mankind. A disease which is killing the rich and the poor, the male and the female, the owner and the servant. Any solution to the disease is always going wrong. No one knows where it came from or how it can be stopped. All they can do is wait and watch nature showing its enigmatic powers. Suddenly, the thought of hanging out with friends, going out partying, or even going to jobs, getting food from restaurants adds to the horror instead of adding to the tint of joys in our lives. Suddenly, money needs to be saved, not spent. Suddenly, the idea of actors in lavish film is no longer aspiring, but the deeds of doctors and the daily workers helping us survive the pandemic are. Suddenly, it is a boon to be an introvert, which might have once been a curse. And the loner who sat around all day at home is the new hero. COVID 19 is such one chapter of the lesson that nature is teaching. If we fail to understand it, the further chapter could be deadly. We, as architects, cannot undo the wrong already done, but we surely do have a great responsibility of creating spaces while respecting nature and not dominating it. Sustainability is the new primary need. Realize that we are not apart from nature. We are a part of nature, and to betray nature is to betray us. To save nature is to save us. Because whatever you are fighting for, racism or poverty or feminism or gay rights or any type of equality, it won't matter in the least, because if we don't all work together to save the nature, we will be equally extinct. As architects, we have learned to first cater to the dwellers of the spaces we design, but now we need to cater to nature first, else there won't be any space in future to design.